This pillow, guys. Look at that
Taking
pillow.
all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
Hello guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. I am Vondessa J, and if you're new here to my home, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, hey girls, hey. So guys, guess what? Everybody on the streets already know. And if you're late for the party, you got to wait till next year. So guys, it is the 90% off sale at, Hobby Lobby. So Hobby Lobby started the 90% off sale this Monday gone. So if you would have went Saturday, it was 75% off here at my location, but on Monday it started the 90%. Guys, it was 3 things that I wanted, okay? But guess what? I decided to walk up on the store on Tuesday. I walk in and I'm like, everything was gone. Your girl lucked up because when I was there, guess what? It was some people bringing in their things, returning their things, and your girl was doing this. Yes, I was. And did I pick up some gems? Yes, I did. And all of the gems that I'm getting ready to show you cost me $29.13. So let's go ahead to see what I grabbed. Okay, these are in no particular order, but guys, I think your girl did pretty good, okay? So the first thing, I saw this when it went to the 70% off, and I wanted this, and somebody just happened to have this in an area that it wasn't supposed to be in, and your girl snagged it. And it is this little sign, and it says Mary, and it is go. So that is what it says, Mary. So this was a little gem because I did want one. It was originally $18.99. Your girl got 90% off it. So that is the first item. So the next item, guys, I wanted one of these. And for Christmas, I did have the Merry Christmas on my stove. I did not record my kitchen. Don't my ass. But I wanted one of these. This was the only one. And where it has some damage, well, let me tell you this. In our store, it was like these people was fighting because 90% of the stuff that was still left were all damaged. I mean, damage to the core, okay? So this piece I did pick up is damaged a little, but it's nothing your girl can't hide. So it is this joy, and right here, guys, is where it's damaged. So it's damaged in that area, and I was like, I am so not going to worry about that because I can putty it in and paint it black, or I could just put a poinsettia, pine cone, whatever, and I can hide it out. Super duper easy. I'm not sure exactly how much it was, but I know I paid $1.20 for this. Yes, your girl did. So let's go to these pieces. So the next things are these napkin rings. I just thought they were so cute, and I was lucky enough to find 4 of them. Now, whether they will stay black for Christmas or just to put in to my pieces, I don't know, because I don't think I'm going to keep black, but they were originally $2.99, so they're just absolutely so cute. They're Christmas trees. So $3 with 90% off. You do the math. Change, okay? Change. So while I was doing that, I saw these, and I was like, when they were 60% off, I think. I saw these. And I wanted them then, and I was like, oh, you know, I can work with these. I can spray these. I can change these. They would be adorable. And guys, when I went in, we saw one. But as I was in the store, they were all the returns, they were putting at the front of the store, and it was putting them in buggies and bringing them back. And what your girl did, I went and dug through those buggies, all 7 of them. And guess what, Lucky find? This is what I was looking for. It is those reindeers, and it is a napkin holder. And originally they were well, I just dropped that one. Originally they were $4.99. So your girl, besides the one I just dropped, scored on 6 of them. Oh my God, your girl scored on 6 of them. My dining room table is a setting of 6, and I scored 6 of them. So my baby girl and I, we were digging and we were looking, and we scored, okay? So $4.99, 90% off. Go ahead, do that math. So the next thing, guys, I'm trying to stay on table setting things right now. So the next thing, I was not going to buy this because when I saw it, I was like, oh, it's cute. It's something that's left. And I was like, I don't want that. But I was at the register, and she must have rang it up at the register, and I saw $1.20. I was like, girl, go ahead and add it. So it is this table runner. And if you can see, it is that off-white, a white in stripe. It was $18.99, got 90% off. It was $1 and change. Did your girl grab it? You know she did. I'm showing it to you. So the next item, guys, if you did see my dining room decor for this Christmas gone 2022, you would have seen one of these on my dining room table, which that one was in black, and I've had it now for 2 years. And I did want it the white. Last year I didn't score it, but look who scored it this year. So it is this, guys. It is absolutely so pretty. I have no clue why my camera just went dark. Okay, so I wanted one of these, and it was originally $36.99, and I have one. I finally have one. So yes, I can't wait to style this, but this is to go definitely in my collection. So the next thing, guys, I'm trying to see where I want to take you. The next thing is, guys, I did want some of their pillows. I did want the white pillows that said joy. When I got there, it was no pillows whatsoever, okay? But this pillow was not for me to buy. I saw it, and I know it's going to be dirt cheap, so I went ahead on and grabbed it. And guess where I found it? In a buggy sitting to the side. I don't know if it was a return buggy or what have you, but I grabbed it because it was so cute. And it's this pillow, guys. Look at that pillow. So absolutely so pretty. So I grabbed this pillow, and it was originally $21.99. So I went ahead on and snagged her, and I am glad I did because my daughter was shopping at the same time, and I will just go ahead and show you what she picked up. And guys, it is these. She picked up these gray stockings with the bells. So she have 2 of those. And then she picked up this one. I thought this one absolutely so pretty also. So it's knitted. But guys, look at this with the pillows. So that is what she's going to have for her bedroom for this Christmas. Gray, white with a tone of gold. So it was worthwhile buying this pillow. So, where should I go next? Well, I'll go to these. And one of the buggies one of the return buggies, I was looking around and all of the ornaments were gone, okay? The only thing I had was some of the separate ornaments, and it was nothing that I was looking for. But in one of the buggies, I found this, guys. I've already said for this Christmas or a Christmas coming, I will have to have black and white because I pick up those. I just thought it was so cute, and I was lucky enough to find 4 of them. So they're in the bag down here on the floor. But also, when I was digging in, okay, I'm back. I had a quick phone call. So back to the ornaments. This ornament I found also. So here is the ornament. And I thought it was so cute. Also, it has like diamonds in the front and it's black and white check. So I think it would be very cute with this. So those are the ornaments that I picked up. And of course, I have 4 of these. And also, I pick up some polar bears. So these are the polar bears. It's 3 in a pack. They were $9.99. And they probably was $1 and some change. But let me go ahead and stop the video because now I have bigger items and I need to move them over. Okay, guys, I am back. I have regrouped. So let's go ahead on to the next items. So pine cones, okay, guys. This, oh goodness, I turned it to the side and all of this stuff started pouring on me. So let me get it back. These pine cones has been a hit just to have out for the fall and winter months. Beautiful, and it's like it has some snow on them. So this is what they look like. So absolutely pretty. These were $17.99 and it was $1.90. So crazy. My store had so many of these, but I only pick up 1 of those. Put that in the bag because girl, now it's full. So I scored on these, guys. A customer was bringing these back, and I did not look to see how much they were. I just wanted them because I was like, they'd be so pretty hanging on your windows with a red or white or even gold ribbon. So guys, it's the wreaths, yes. So I did go ahead and grab these wreaths. They were originally $11.99, which I did get 3. I got all 3 that she was returning. Some of them says $11.99, and this one, 2 of them says $12.99. Then it is one that says $11.99. Nevertheless, guys, I got all 3 wreaths for $3.60. Yes, $3.60. That is how much I paid for all of the wreaths. So the next thing is the first thing that caught my attention in the cart. This has some damage to it, but it's nothing that the hot glue gun and some white paint cannot cure. And it would be gorgeous for a bedroom with black and white, with the black and white ornaments and a white Christmas tree with all that black and white on it. Beautiful. And I already have blank ornaments and all of that stuff. So it is this sign. It says, oh my gosh, am I too close? So let me go take you back a little bit because it says joy to the world. So that's what the sign says. Right here is where some of the damage is, and it's a little bit right here. So I would just take my hot glue gun, fill that in, go with some white paint, and that is it. So that is the picture. It was $39.99, and this picture was $2.20. So I was not gonna buy this, but when I saw my napkin rings and stuff, I was just like, I like to have my napkin rings if they're seasonal in something. So I just pick up this tin, guys, only to put my napkin rings, since now I have 2 more sets of napkin rings. Well, not sets, 2 more napkin rings of, say, decorations, different, but nevertheless, with this tin, it will let me know that these are my Christmas napkin rings. So this tin was $6.90, so I picked this tin up for 70 cents. Okay, this tin was only 70 cents. So when I was in the back, I saw this item, and this is my last item. I saw this item, but I was like, I'm not going to get it. But it was a girl in front of me in the register, and she had 3 of these. And when I found out that they were $1.10, I told my daughter, girl, if you don't go over there and run fast and get me one. So what it is, guys, trying to be careful because this thing's shedding. It is this snowflake rug. Yes, it is this snowflake rug. So guys, this is my 9% off haul. That at the end of the year, beginning of the year, Christmas for Hobby Lobby. You missed it, like I said, hey, just go ahead and save up your coins, because 2024, they're going to have another one in January, and definitely it's going to be 90%, because they always do the 90%. But nevertheless, guys, hopefully y'all did enjoy this, and hopefully you did get to pick up some of those gems that was 90% off. And guys, I guess I will go ahead and see you in the next one. So please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I always say at the end of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, guys. Bye.
How you gonna go away?